Get ready to indulge in these incredibly soft and flavorful carrot dumplings. Tiny bites of pure joy that melt in your mouth. The combination of natural sweetness from carrots, a chewy texture, and an umami-rich sauce will have you craving more. Let's dive into this easy yet extraordinary recipe. Ingredients. For the dumplings, 200 grams carrots, 20 milliliters water, 130 grams potato starch or wheat flour, 2 pinches of salt. For the sauce, 8 grams soy sauce, 5 grams oyster sauce, 3 grams chili powder or paprika powder as an alternative, 3 grams sugar, 4 grams minced garlic, 8 grams unsweetened peanut butter, 7 grams chopped green onion, 16 grams avocado oil or another vegetable oil, 32 grams water for boiling noodles. Preparing the carrot dumplings. Cut the carrots into bite-sized pieces. Add 20 milliliters of water and microwave for about 7 minutes. Once softened, finely grate the boiled carrots. In a mixing bowl, combine the grated carrots with potato starch and salt. Mix well to form a dough. Roll the dough into small balls and create a hole in the middle using your little finger. If the dough is dry and cracking, lightly wet your hands before shaping. Bring a pot of water to a boil and gently drop in the dumplings, making sure they don't stick together. Stir occasionally and boil for about 5 minutes. Adjust based on size and quantity. Remove from the water and rinse with cold water for a firmer texture. If you prefer them warm and soft, skip the rinse. Heat avocado oil in a pan. Add soy sauce, oyster sauce, chili powder, sugar, minced garlic, peanut butter, and chopped green onions. Stir well and let the sauce simmer until fragrant. Pour in 32 grams of water and mix until smooth. Add the boiled dumplings to the sauce, tossing them gently to coat evenly. Let the flavors infuse for a minute and serve immediately. These adorable, round carrot dumplings are more than just a dish. They're a textural delight that brings warmth to every bite. The balance of sweetness, chewiness, and umami richness makes this a recipe you'll want to revisit again and again. What do you think? Let me know in the comments if this recipe made your taste,